I just got the brand new Macintosh. Look, see, it's even written on the box. Mac, OMG now. I was gonna pay for it, but Steve Jobs at Apple gave it to me for free. So, actually Tim Cook, sorry. Messed up. Anyways, I got this all new Macintosh, and I'm gonna like open this thing up and like show you how amazing this all new Macintosh is. It is like 30 out of 10. I heard it was like amazing. So let me open this up. Oh my god, this is so hard to open. Charge thing was super taped. Anyways, I'm so weak, I can't even lift this stupid tape up. Oh my god, I'm gonna shake the can because trying to open this thing is too hard. Oh my god, this is so weak. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Oh, why'd you make it so I can't even open this Mac up? That's so stupid. Stupid. Now guys, I'm gonna like it. Plus 50. Oh my god, more tape. There, I just knifed it. Now let me take out this phone. Yay, phone. Woohoo, foamy phone. Oh yeah, this is the all new Macintosh. I just wasted my mom's credit card on. Amazing. 40 out of 10. Oh yeah, look at this. It's a Mac. Looky here at this thing. This thing balls so hard that whenever I use it, record labels want to sign me. And look at here, it's a Macintosh. Oh yeah. Thanks mom for letting me use her credit card. I'm like so gonna tell everybody that this is the best thing ever. And look at here, this has super cool ports. Look at all these super cool ports. I can like do stuff with this. This is amazing. God, this is like the best thing ever. Let me plug this thing in. Oh yeah, it's booting up and I can't even use it. This is amazing. Let me hook this thing up and play Call of Duty on it. And let me play Crisis on it, because, you know, Crisis is the best game ever. In fact, maybe I should make another video showing how ballin' this is. And best of all, look at here. I just got Call of Duty for it. Let me see if this thing will play it. Oh no, this is stupid. Crap.